This is a SnowEx RD 8000 regular duty 8-foot snow plow for sale. Made by SnowEx. Use it a handful of times. You can see there's no obvious rust spots. This film you're seeing is lube. So it's sprayed with lube on the metal parts just to keep it lubricated, keep the rust away. You can see the springs are still black, no rust. Again, that's lube. You know, you get a little sticky sticking to the lube. The white stuff is lube. You know, kind of preserve it. You see the stickers are still intact. I don't want to pull it away from the wall, but you can kind of see. You can see in the pictures, I'll add pictures, that the front is still new, still painted, no rust. You can see the edge is still looking new. So it's very light used paint, still good, it's original paint. Cylinders look good. Again, that's lube to keep everything, just keep the rust away. You see the grease zerk is full, has grease in it. That's the original grease. Hasn't needed any maintenance. You see it's full of dielectric grease. Cap still intact. This is the light plug. And these are halogen lights. It's the halogen light kit. No cracks, no moisture. Cylinder looks good. This fits a, well, it came off a 2020 Tundra. So it should fit 07 through 2020 Tundra. If you want the plow and it doesn't fit your truck, you can always sell the mount kit and get a mount kit for your truck. So next I'll just show you the mounting hardware, and you can see the hardware is still painted, no rust. All right, there's the mounting hardware for the snow plow. Little rust right here, not a lot. I'll show you a good product to use in a situation like that. This is expensive. It's military grade rust preventer, fast drying black protective wax coating, military grade rust preventative. Works really well. Stop the rust. About $20 a can. Lasts a long time. Yep. This is the mounting hardware. They have all they have the remote. They have all of the installation hardware you need. These are brand new. Straps are ordered. I got these brand new. The old ones, they rust. Probably want to paint these or coat these when you install your plow. Overall, it's a good plow. I like it. It's not too heavy. It doesn't make the front of your truck bounce and bob, but it does get the job done. I was able to scrape ice with it. You know, push, we don't get a lot of snow, but push decently heavy snow with this. It's not a trip edge plow, the whole blade trips. That's what the springs are for. Overall, it's a good plow, I like it. You can price these new and look at my price and you'll see you're getting a good deal. Price is in, I mean, the plow is in great shape. You can install it in a day or less. It's already put together. When you buy this plow, it comes in pieces. The blade is separate from the head unit. The headlights are separate. You have to add, you know, put it together. So save you some time. You can, a couple guys, maybe one on each side, one in the back, maybe two in the back, can lift this and put it on the trailer It's liftable. It's on rollers, so I can roll it, you know, outside to the curb. You can lift it and put it on your trailer. Take it home and install it. 4 hours or less, if you're, you know, familiar with installing these, or a day or less. These are all of the snow plow harnesses and modules. So you can see all the all the wiring is here. They still have all the manuals, warranty information. Got this plow new, fairly used. You can see the warranty information is still here. I think this comes with a 2-year warranty, I think. It could be 3 years. You have to look it up. It's a verify. This should be the joystick. Joystick. Plug is intact.